how to drill a screw with your Makita cordless drill. So first things first, you want the correct drill bit, and you want to make sure it sits in the head snug, like that. Now you can either use the drill bit straight in the Makita drill like this, tighten it up, or you can use a drill guide like this, and this goes in the same place, and it allows you quickly to change drill bit sizes relatively easy. However, just for this demonstration, I'll just use it straight in the Makita drill like this. Let's get some old scrap wood here, and what you want to then do is get your screw, place it onto where you want to drill, seat the head, and then start off slowly, and once it's bitten into the wood like that, as you can see, you can then speed up, and there you go, drive the screw flush. Now if you're struggling to drive the screw, make sure you're on drill mode here, not screw, because this kicks in the clutch here. So if it got too difficult, the clutch would kick in. Let's listen. Like that, and you'd need to go up on the clutch to drive the screw deeper. Just switch it over to drill mode. So hopefully that helps you drill a screw with your Makita cordless drill. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.